I got 16 bounties on this poet of mine. There's no chance in winning, so I might as well try. That big red sun is about to go down. Well, I guess it's high time I got the fuck out of town.
We did the gatekeeper, and now we're on the slabs, and now he's checking his tire pressure.
Awesome, let's go check it out, come on.
And as the tops of the trees turn from golden to green, and the river sighs softly to her, well, as the lights rolling in, I'll roll a joint again, and the city cries softly to her.
It should pop right in a second, right?
There you go. Keep it going.
For many years I've been a rolling stone, my darling. Like a gypsy, I have roamed from place to place. Fortune never came for me, Lord, how happy I would be just to look again upon your smiling face.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Bigfoot has been sighted in this area, so we out here squatch hunting. He trying to bag us a Bigfoot. We're gonna eat good tonight. Let's do it. Do it. Just talk to me about what happened here.
Your shit broke.
My shit broke?
Yeah. Yeah, no, he's out there and like, oh, you know, digging myself up some dinner in the evening.
Look at all this. Wait.
Ooh, that's not supposed to be in there like that. Call the dentist because your teeth are broke. That's very unfortunate.
Oh, here's this one.
Oh.
This is open.
I'm not going to mention any of this to Alex, so please don't repeat these stories.
Alright, I'll make sure not to put that in video.
There it is.
All right.
Fucking perfect.
Do any of you guys have an electronic control arm? Because I do.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be nothing left of Jeremy's Jeep by the time we get back.
Strap them kids and give them a little bit of vodka and a cherry coke. We're going to Oklahoma to the family reunion for the first time in years. It's up at Uncle Slayton's cause he's getting on in years.
Hey boys, we made it. Cheers.
We got the beer. Cheers. Woo. Woo. That's right. Cheers.
Cheers.
You need a yerba.
This one right here is a classic gold. Happy birthday, little guy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is supposed to be attached up here.
Oh, okay.
And the bolt sheared off.
We're off racing. It's the first time I hit the Rubicon. Here we are. Oh yeah, look at that. One more. There we go. crazy rednecks behind us. Jeremy's rear diff is leaking. His front diff has exploded. He doesn't have any control arms on his passenger side at all. If there's anything left of his Jeep by the time we get back, we'll trade it in. Hey, look at that. It's about where we started. Well, this is it. We're back. After all that. How was it? It was great. Yeah, buddy. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
First time on the Rubicon. What was your favorite part of it?
Probably getting out of here.
What part sucked the most?
Probably fixing stuff.
Yeah.
Holly came from Miami, FLA, hitchhiked away across USA, plucked her eyebrows on the way, shaved her legs, and then he was a she. She says, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey honey, take a walk on the wild side.